Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back. So today we're going to do a recipe, stuffed avocados with creamy chickpea salad. It's off the website Spain on a Fork by Albert Vivia. So I love avocados, I love chickpeas, so I thought we'd give this a try. So let's get started. The recipe calls for a half a cup of low-fat Greek yogurt, but because I don't eat dairy, I decided to substitute just for the silk, dairy-free, and then the plain. Okay, so we have the chickpeas in a bowl. Move that over a little bit. Add in the red onion, red bell pepper, add in the 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Bring this over. And then the finely grated clove of garlic. This garlic is tricky. I did not do a fresh lemon this time, so we are going to add in the lemon juice. And that's 1/2 tablespoon. So then we're going to do a little sea salt and a little pepper. And these are both the 365. I don't know if you guys can see that one. Add a little bit more pepper. And then we're going to gently mix together. Though this recipe doesn't call for garlic salt or garlic salt or onion powder, I'm going to add a little bit of both in. That was onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder. And I even think I want to add in some more of the dairy-free yogurt. I have not found any dairy-free Greek yogurt. I believe someone in my comment section said that they have some at Whole Foods, but I haven't been able to find it at the Whole Foods that I live near. So that might have just been in her area. Let's add a little more pepper. A little more salt. I'm seasoning all. A little more garlic powder. And a little more onion powder, and we should be all good. We'll cut the avocado in half, and then it'll be all done. So this is like so simple and so easy. And these are the recipes that, you know, I'm attempting to bring you guys. Especially if you're just learning to cook, or you're just kind of starting out on your plant-based or vegan lifestyle. I just want to bring you recipes that are simple for you. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the avocado. And I'm going to remove the pit, and then I'll come right back and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So now I want to be clear that the recipe calls for 4 avocados, but I'm just going to do 2 at a time because avocados have a tendency to kind of get really brown really fast. So I want you to take out some of the pulp to make the hole bigger. Uh-oh, not that big. And put it into the actual actually I should have just pulled out a little bit just for right now, so it's not all in there, because like I said, avocado has a tendency to brown. And in this recipe it says that you can take the lemon and rub it on the avocado. So I'm just going to take about half of this and move this to the side. That should be about half. And then I'll save the rest for tomorrow. And then we're just going to mix this. Let's see what I'm doing. Put the avocado in there. And then we're going to put the chickpea salad inside the avocado. You can probably make the hole a little bigger, but I just felt like if you took too much of the pulp out, there wouldn't be anything left. So, I'm trying to keep it pretty. That one is really full. I think that's going to be about it. So guys, this is the stuffed avocados with creamy chickpea salad. So subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below how you like to eat your avocados. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye guys.